Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Dropbox account and signing in on the computer. Once signed in, download and run the official Dropbox installer for your operating system. Make sure no other cloud sync apps are running to prevent file lock conflicts. During setup, choose the default folder or a custom path on a drive with sufficient space, because sync speed and reliability depend on available disk space and folder location. After installation, let the app start and finish its initial background setup. You now configure syncing options to balance storage and performance. Open Dropbox preferences and set upload/download bandwidth limits so other work isn't interrupted. Enable launch at startup if you want continuous sync. Next, use Selective Sync or Smart Sync to mark which folders remain local versus cloud-only. This saves disk space while keeping important files offline. Also check exclusions for temp or large file types and enable LAN sync. You finish by verifying that files show the green check or syncing icon and open a recently changed file to confirm the latest version is present. If something goes wrong, pause and resume syncing, restart the Dropbox app, and make sure your internet connection and account storage quota are okay. These simple steps often resolve conflicts. If problems persist, unlink and relink the computer or reinstall the app, but make sure you have backups of critical files before doing a reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.